The Premier's top advisor on severe drug addiction has issued new guidance to doctors as the province moves forward on the controversial issue of involuntary treatment. For more, let's check in with Rob Shaw at the BC Legislature. Rob, involuntary treatment has been a big issue the last couple of years, including during the election campaign. So what changed today?
Well, Stacey, it's a very contentious issue, holding people against their will for drug addiction treatment. The Premier had promised some action on that. His top advisor spent 10 months studying the issue. Today concluded BC doesn't need a new law to accomplish that. It just needs some clarity. Dr. Daniel Vigo issuing new guidelines to doctors today to clarify how to use the existing Mental Health Act. In the past, many doctors, he says, have mistakenly thought substance use disorder disqualified you from voluntary care, but new guidelines he issued say that forced care could apply if someone's drug use is caused or is linked to a severe mental impairment. He issued 11 pages to all health authorities today. Here he is.
The law didn't need to change. What needed to change is the confusion surrounding the interpretation of the law.
I just want to be really clear that this is not about making it easier to apprehend people or apprehending more people. This is about correctly identifying those people who will benefit from involuntary treatment in the manner that Dr. Vigo is explaining. And at the same time, it is so important that we continue to invest in and build out that continuous system of mental health and substance use supports that are voluntary.
The update comes in the same day Conservative MLA Eleanor Sturko reintroduced her private member's bill to alert families to when someone in a mental health or addictions crisis is taken to hospital. She said these new guidelines today are a disappointment to those who wanted action. Dr. Vigo saying there's more than 18,000 people a year receive involuntary care. A third of them come in and out of the system, and this may help address that. Stacey, these are very complex guidelines. It's going to take a while for doctors to digest them. The public push here on politicians was to try to address the phenomenon of someone passed out on the street in distress, someone acting violent in what looks to be a drug-fueled psychosis. It's not immediately clear if the guidelines today will address that visibly, Stacey, and if not, this will not be the last action we see from the Premier on the issue of involuntary care.